Video Editing Crash Course, Advanced Video Editing Techniques. Introduction. Advanced video editing techniques elevate the quality and impact of your videos to new heights. These techniques go beyond the basics, allowing you to create professional-grade content that captivates and engages your audience. In this crash course, we will explore some interesting stories, examples, and the top 12 advanced video editing techniques/methods that will take your editing skills to the next level. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The editing techniques of Christopher Nolan. Christopher Nolan, the acclaimed filmmaker, is known for his innovative editing techniques. In movies like Inception and Memento, he masterfully plays with nonlinear narratives, manipulating time and perspective to create a unique and immersive cinematic experience. 2. The match cut in Lawrence of Arabia. Lawrence of Arabia features one of the most famous match cuts in film history. The scene seamlessly transitions from a shot of a blown-out match to a vast desert landscape, symbolizing the passage of time and the protagonist's journey. 3. The use of flashbacks in Pulp Fiction. Quentin Tarantino's Pulp Fiction incorporates non-linear storytelling through the skillful use of flashbacks. The editing weaves multiple storylines together, creating a compelling and interconnected narrative that keeps viewers on the edge of their seats. 4. Montage in Rocky. The training montage in the Rocky series is an iconic example of how editing can convey the passage of time, character growth, and determination. Through a series of quick cuts and energetic music, the montage captures the protagonist's intense training sessions, inspiring audiences worldwide. Top 12 Advanced Video Editing Techniques/Methods. 1. Time remapping. Manipulating the speed and timing of clips to create slow motion, fast motion, or time-lapse effects. 2. Multi-camera editing. Seamlessly integrating footage from multiple camera angles to enhance visual storytelling and provide a dynamic viewing experience. 3. Split screen. Displaying multiple video clips simultaneously on the screen to compare or contrast different scenes or perspectives. 4. Chroma keying. Replacing a green or blue background with another image or video, allowing you to create composite shots or place your subject in different environments. 5. Dynamic transitions. Utilizing advanced transitions, such as whip pans, morph cuts, and stinger transitions, to add energy and seamless flow between scenes. 6. Advanced color grading. Fine-tuning the colors and tones of your footage to create a specific mood, enhance visual storytelling, or achieve a consistent look throughout your video. 7. Sound design and audio mixing. Using advanced techniques to manipulate audio elements, such as adding sound effects, balancing audio levels, and creating immersive soundscapes. 8. Keyframing. Animating properties of video clips, such as scale, position, opacity, or effects, to create dynamic movements or visual effects. 9. 3D effects and motion tracking. Incorporating three-dimensional elements or tracking footage to add virtual objects or graphics that seamlessly integrate with the scene. 10. Advanced masking and rotoscoping. Precisely selecting and manipulating specific areas of a video clip, allowing for advanced editing techniques like isolating subjects or applying effects. 11. Picture-in-picture. Overlaying one video clip or image on top of another, creating a smaller window within the main video frame. 12. Advanced exporting and delivery. Optimizing your final video for different platforms or formats, ensuring compatibility, and maintaining the highest quality possible. Summarization. Advanced video editing techniques push the boundaries of creativity and storytelling, allowing you to create videos that captivate and engage your audience on a whole new level. Whether it's manipulating time, experimenting with different visual effects, or refining the audio and color aspects of your videos, these techniques give you the tools to craft professional-grade content. By mastering these techniques, you can elevate your editing skills and create videos that leave a lasting impact. Poem. In the realm of video editing, where creativity blooms, advanced techniques lead to mesmerizing rooms. From time manipulation to dynamic transitions, each method enhances storytelling missions. Montages convey training and character growth. Split screens compare stories, weaving both. Chroma keying transports subjects to new places, while multi-camera editing showcases multiple faces. Keyframing unlocks movements that astound. 3D effects and motion tracking, worlds surround. Advanced color grading sets the mood just right. And sound design immerses us in audio's might. Picture-in-picture brings layers of depth. Masking and rotoscoping, precise with every step. Exporting and delivery, optimizing for all. Ensuring your vision stands tall. These advanced techniques, a filmmaker's treasure. Unleash creativity, beyond measure. With dedication and practice, the skills grow. Crafting videos that captivate and glow. Song. Verse 1. In the world of video, where artistry reigns, advanced techniques bring cinematic gains. Time remapping slows, or fast forwards we ride, creating moments that stir, with each stride. Chorus. Advanced editing, a creative dance. Elevating videos with a captivating stance. Montages, split screens, a visual flair. Unleashing stories, beyond compare. Verse 2. Chroma keying takes us to mystical lands. Multi-camera editing, perspectives expand. Keyframing animates, breathing life into frames. As 3D effects enthrall, leaving us amazed. Bridge. Color grading, a palette of emotions. Sound design, an audio symphony in motion. Picture-in-picture, layers intertwine. Masking and rotoscoping, precision defined. Chorus. Advanced editing, a creative dance. Elevating videos with a captivating stance. Montages, split screens, a visual flair. Unleashing stories, beyond compare. Outro. With exporting and delivery, the final touch. Sharing our creations, oh, how much. Advanced video editing, an endless quest. Crafting videos that truly impress. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support RN Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.